Alright, today I want to go over a couple trades I made, and today was a frustrating day to start because I actually wanted to take this MU trade long around this 4260 level, but CMEG today sent a message out saying that basically implying that some of my hotkeys, a setting needed to be changed, but I didn't understand the message, so I actually tried to go long here and my order was rejected, and I had to contact the customer support and figure out how to change the settings. So that was a frustrating start because then, of course, as you can see, MU went on to go on a wild ride and I missed it. So I was a little frustrated, but I'm glad I didn't let that get to me too much. Now, on to the trades I did make. The first one was here on American Airlines. So it looked really strong, came up off VWAP well. I had just got my settings changed, so I was finally able to trade. I went long here. I had this 3351 level from a daily level, so I took my first 50% partial there. I took another one here, and so I have 25% of my position left at this point, and I was holding out. This orange line right here for me is the 200 MA on the daily, and so I felt really confident. So I actually had a limit order set for 3375, and we never quite made it. So I got out here at about break even. I kicked myself at this last partial a little bit because I meant to get out if it dipped below 3350. I told myself I was going to get out, and then I disobeyed that, and I waited too long. So I left some profits on the table there, but overall this is a really nice trade for me. Alright, and then I made another trade, and I'm going to show you guys. Actually, I made two trades on MU. So although again I missed this trade on the upside, but I did take it to the short side, and it's a little confusing on the 5-minute chart here. So let me show you guys on the 1 minute what happened here. Alright, so after it went up, I went ahead and took it short here and for VWAP. But then it kind of turned on me and I got really scared about getting short squeezed, so I stopped out there. But I'm proud I got back in short here, took it down, took my first partial around the 4350 because I was worried about that being good. I was worried that might be support. And I kind of held there for a bit, dropped down some more, took another one, so now I have 25% of my position left. And at this point I was sitting pretty on the day, so I took my last one here a little before VWAP, but I didn't know if it was going to make it or if it was just going to bounce off this 50 MA. So all out right there. So all in, I had 3 trades today, 2 winners, and 1 stop out. 2 winners and 1 stop out, which is this first MU trade. I feel really good about my day considering it started frustrating that I missed that big MU move. But happy with my recovery there, and really liked overall the way I traded, although I think I left some money on the table with American Airlines on that last partial. But that was my day. I reached my daily goal of 1% of count equity. I actually went over that, so solid day. Hope you guys traded well as well, and I'll see you guys in the chat tomorrow.